Hi guys, this is Shane again, and we're going to continue our tour of the English-speaking world. Now, where on our list of former British colonies will we stop off on next? Well, we're going to stop off in the warm Caribbean to a country we call Jamaica. Now, what do we know about Jamaica? Well, Jamaica is a very small island country. It's in the Caribbean. They speak English, but their own version of English as well, known as patois. That is where you might hear quite a lot of abbreviations of words, the use of me instead of I, or like me hungry instead of I am hungry. All right, so you get a little bit of linguistic differences in Jamaica. But not only for its language, Jamaica is known for quite a lot of other things. It has its accent, yes, but it also has reggae, which is, if you kids know reggaeton, it is where reggaeton comes from. It is a very popular music style that was pioneered in Jamaica, especially and most well known by Bob Marley. Now, if you don't know Bob Marley, your parents certainly do. Ask them to put on No Woman No Cry, Buffalo Soldier, Redemption Song. He has lots and lots of absolutely beautiful, relaxing songs. Now, another thing about Bob Marley is that he was a well-known Rastafarian. The hat. So, if you see pictures of Bob Marley, you often see him wearing a hat and with dreadlocks. Now, those are very common visual traits of the Rastafarian movement. So you might see quite a lot of people and you look at them, you think, they're definitely Jamaican. Well, quite a lot of Rastafarians are Jamaican, and it's quite easy to see them and distinguish them because of the colored hats, the long dreadlocks, okay? And sometimes their very strong Caribbean accent. Okay, now what else do we know about Jamaica? Well, Jamaica is also well known for sport. What do we know about Jamaican sport? Well, we know that the fastest man in the world comes from Jamaica, Usain Bolt. You might be familiar with him winning the 100 meters and breaking his own record twice. He is a very fast individual. And also, another younger version, Johan Blake, is coming up as well as quite a fast runner as well as Usain Bolt. What else? Well, let's talk a little bit about gestures, because we learned a couple of gestures from the Jamaicans. Now, a sign of friendship or agreement, oftentimes in the English-speaking world, is a handshake. In Spanish, it could be a nod or kissing on both cheeks, saying hello or whatever. But in Jamaica, they have something that we all are familiar with, and that is the fist bump. That is their symbol or signification of friendship or agreement to something. What else? They do have a lot of slang. Like I said, they have a very distinct accent that is affected quite a lot by the patois of Jamaica. Okay, so they have the one that everybody knows would be yaman. Okay, so yaman would be how they pronounce it. No problem is another one they say, like not a problem, no worries. Me cool man, which means I'm good, everything's good, good. Now, if you come from Jamaica, you're from Yad. Me come from Yad. Okay? But if you come from anywhere except Jamaica, you come from Farin. Me come from Farin. That means you come from a foreign country. I come from outside of Jamaica. Okay? They also like to drop some sounds. For example, the TH, the th. In Jamaica, they might go thanks instead of thanks. Or if you're asking what, they might drop the T there. So they might go what or where if they're asking where are things. Okay? Now, that's enough about the language. Let's have a little bit of a talk about the weather. The weather in Jamaica is, like most places along the equator, divided into two seasons, wet and dry season. So what might you need if you travel to Jamaica? Well, you will definitely need sun cream because it will always be very warm. And perhaps, especially when it gets during the wet season, you might need to carry a lot of bug spray because they have a lot of mosquitoes in Jamaica. Now, I don't want to speak a little bit more, any more about Jamaica because I think I've covered enough of what you might want to learn about Jamaica. But feel free to look up more and leave some comments. And we'll see you guys next week. Have a good one. Take care.